Hey, so how do you feel like shifting your places, moving to a new place? Oh, this time we are moving to a bigger space. I'm going to get a bigger space for my studio. So everything is going to be done by the packers and movers, but the studio has to be packed by an artist. This vlog is all about boxing and unboxing. It's going to be interesting. Leaving my old art studio is like closing a chapter filled with the strokes of countless emotions. Each paint is splattered, corner hold memories and creative struggles. Packing up brushes and canvases feels like saying goodbye to a dear friend. Moving to a new studio is exciting, yes, but it's also like stepping into the unknown. The walls are no longer familiar canvases of inspiration. It's a mix of nostalgia and anticipation, leaving behind a piece of my artistic journey and eagerly impressing a new canvas waiting to be painted with fresh stories. And you are going to be a part of that story. Though it's very tough to make any place a home, then leaving it for forever is always painful. Indeed, the art of making a place feel like a home is profound. Living then becomes a poignant act of parting the emotions and memories embedded in the walls. The echoes of laughter, the comfort of familiar corners, and the unique atmosphere cultivated over time created a tapestry that is not easily unraveled. The pain of departure stems from the intricate thread of shared movements and personal touches that turn a space into a century of memories, making the farewell of a canvas of mixed emotions. That's what I can say. Leaving your current studio in pursuit of a new and larger space is akin to turning the page in your creative journey. It involves bidding farewell to the intimate familiarity of your current studio and venturing into the expensive possibilities of a large canvas. While leaving may carry a sense of nostalgia, The prospect of more spacious studio holds the promise of greater artistic freedom and the opportunity to explore your creativity on a grander scale. It's a courageous step towards growth and a chance to paint a new stories on a broader palette. So wish me luck, and I will try my best and create more and more in my new studio with the new year. So yeah, happy new year to everyone who is watching this video. Here is a new year brimming with boundless imagination, artistic breakthroughs, and the beauty that emerges from the heart of your creation. Happy New Year, and wishing you, may your canvases of your coming year be adorned with vibrant strokes of creativity, each day a masterpiece waiting to be painted. And these words are for me also. May inspiration flow like limitless palette, and may your artistic journey be filled with the joy of exploration. I will remind myself, and this is a reminder for every artist here. A few lines for the farewell of my old studio. This place was not enough, but I tried my best to make space, to get the things settled down, to get the things on their appropriate place so that nothing can come between me and my art. But I think I was not able to create as much I should have done in the past 2 years. So it's not a fault of the space actually. It was the fault in me. The space I created was totally a vibe. If you have been with me, I tried my best to get into this space, but as I have spoken, there are many barriers. You bound yourself to think more creative because of many reasons. This I will not speak in this vlog. If I have spoken few words, you can watch my past videos. But this video is just a farewell for my old studio, which has given me a lot. But I was not able to give it back. So with my new studio, I promise myself I will try to give the most amazing creations. Me being a fine art student has always faced this. We used to shift our room every year because of this, like some rules and regulation we had in our hostel. So this is a part of me since 2014. I enjoy this process, but at the same time, I feel so emotional because each walls and each corner of the room has witnessed me painting and creating stuff. It's life, and you have to move.